How to grout bathroom porcelain floor tiles. Complete professional grouting guide. Grouting bathroom porcelain floor tiles is one of the most important finishing steps in any tile installation project. A properly grouted floor not only improves the appearance of the bathroom but also protects the tiles from moisture, dirt, and long-term damage. In this complete tutorial, you will see the full professional process of filling porcelain tile joints. From preparing the surface to achieving perfectly clean grout lines with a smooth and durable finish. This video follows the real workflow used by professional tile installers, making it ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, apprentices, and experienced tilers looking to improve their techniques. Every stage is shown clearly without unnecessary shortcuts, allowing you to understand the correct order of work and the tools required for a high-quality result. The process begins by making sure the porcelain tile surface is completely clean and free from dust, debris, excess adhesive, and tile leveling clips. Proper preparation ensures that the grout bonds correctly inside the joints and creates a strong, long-lasting finish. Clean joints are essential for preventing weak spots, discoloration, and future cracking. Next, the grout is mixed carefully to the correct consistency. Achieving the right mixture is one of the keys to professional results. A grout mix that is too dry can leave gaps and weak joints, while a mixture that is too wet may shrink or reduce strength after curing. Maintaining the correct ratio of water to grout helps create a smooth, workable material that spreads evenly across the floor. Once the grout is ready, it is applied across the porcelain tiles using a rubber grout float. The grout is pressed firmly into every joint from multiple directions to eliminate air pockets and ensure complete filling. Proper pressure and technique guarantee that every grout line is solid, uniform, and durable, helping the tiled floor withstand daily use in wet bathroom environments. As the joints are filled, excess grout is removed from the tile surface using the edge of the grout float held at the correct angle. This step helps reduce cleanup time while preserving full grout joints without pulling material back out. Professional installers repeat this process carefully until every section has been completed with consistent results. After allowing the grout to begin setting, the surface is cleaned with a damp sponge using gentle circular movements, followed by diagonal wiping across the grout joints. This cleaning method shapes the grout lines while removing excess residue without damaging the freshly installed grout. Careful sponge cleaning is essential for producing neat, attractive joints with a professional appearance. The video also demonstrates the importance of changing rinse water frequently and using the correct amount of moisture. During cleanup, excessive water can weaken fresh grout or cause color variation, while insufficient cleaning may leave stubborn grout haze on the porcelain surface. Finding the right balance is part of achieving a flawless finish. As the grout continues curing, a light grout haze may appear on the porcelain tiles. This normal residue is removed using appropriate cleaning techniques after the grout has hardened sufficiently. The result is a clean, polished porcelain floor with crisp grout lines that enhance the overall beauty of the bathroom. Proper curing is another critical part of the process. Allowing the grout to dry naturally without heavy foot traffic ensures maximum strength and durability. Following the recommended curing time helps prevent cracks, discoloration, and premature wear while extending the lifespan of the tiled floor. Throughout this tutorial, viewers can observe professional workmanship from start to finish, including grout application methods, cleaning techniques, finishing details, and practical tips that contribute to high-quality bathroom tile installations. Whether your bathroom features large-format porcelain tiles or standard floor tiles, these methods can help you achieve clean, strong, and visually appealing grout joints. If you enjoy professional tile installation videos, flooring tutorials, bathroom renovation projects, porcelain tile guides, ceramic tiling techniques, grout application methods, construction craftsmanship, and home improvement content, this channel provides detailed step-by-step videos designed to help you improve your tiling skills and achieve results on every project.